Everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm decorating a spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is going to be for Danielle. So Danielle, thank you for being a patron again this month. She requested a Christmas themed big journal spread. So I have the new Posh Christmas sticker book that I'm going to use to decorate these pages. And I love this theme right here. These pages I have green on it, so I feel like that would tie in well with this spread. So I'm just gonna actually rip out some of these sheets here. And I really love, okay, I could use these, but I love these. I really want to use these. They're so fun. So we'll use that one. Oh, and then this one too. Perfect. Okay. So I just pulled all the sheets. That way I don't have to flip through the book. And then I can grab some quotes and stuff in a bit. But first, I'm going to just add in decorative elements around the spread. Okay. And then let's do like a little scene right here with the tree. And then the chimney. Okay. I love this. The little like garland. That's what it is, garland. With the layered boxes. I think those are really cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put this over here. Okay, and then I'll add a couple more boxes. She has different places to write in. Do I want to add these? Actually, well, I'll do this one. This bow one's cute. Ooh, I have ornaments. Actually, I don't like the bow one now. Now that it's on the page, I don't really care for it, so. Okay, scratch that idea. Maybe I should just focus on this page because I feel like this theme works better. So let me do this one here. And then I got these little ornaments. I can dangle some ornaments. Okay, I'm gonna draw some lines. I always like to add that kind of element onto this spread. It's really fun. Okay. All right, let me go to this side. Oh, I didn't realize I had this scene here. Okay, I'm gonna do this shelf. Do this shelf here. And I'm gonna add some presents. I guess I'll add them over here. Okay, let me grab some boxes. I kind of want to bring this in because I think it's cute with the stockings. Okay, so since I added that like stripey pattern, I'm gonna do one over here. And okay, let me get some more boxes on the spread. Start with this green box here. And I'll layer a red one. Add some of the poinsettias. Ooh, a wreath. Do that over here. And I'm gonna do this One. Not there. Okay, not that one because I don't have any room really for it. Although I do want to get, oh, I could do this one. This one. This one will fit. Okay, and then let's do another one of these. These are fun. Over here, and smaller one over here. Okay, let me get some of these poinsettias on the spread. So I want to cover that up. That's kind of cute, but I'm going to cover it up. Okay, I'm going to cover this up too, because this is a journaling spread, so I don't really need it to say note. Some presents. Oh, this is cute. Little snow globe. I'm actually going to cut this a little bit. Okay, I want to do more like dangling little ornaments. So where can I make them dangle? Okay. So first, I'm just going to, actually, let me do one thing. I want to put this here because I feel like it's empty there. Okay, I want to do, you know what, let me go back in the book. So I got these. Just gonna grab this one right here. And I'm gonna add it to the top. And then I can dangle some ornaments. Okay. So I have one here. I'll do one of these. Okay, so I'll do two. Okay. And then I want to do this little green box here. Pink one here. I feel like I should put this here. I didn't realize I had this actual scene already. So let's see if I take this off. You know what? No, this scene is different. I like the stockings. Hanging. Yeah, okay, we'll leave that one. So I could do, you know, I'm gonna bring in some washi. So I have this washi, a nice red stripe washi. Okay, it's a little bit there. And then I'll do some down here. And then I have these little leaves. Just gonna add them to a few corners that look a little empty. Looks pretty good though. Some more ornaments. I think this looks pretty good. Now the last thing I want to do is add in some quotes, just because quotes are always a good idea. I'm thinking, okay, let me do quotes. Okay, I'm gonna do this, Dear Santa. Wait, where's Christmas? Oh, I did Christmas week on this one. So I'll put Dear Santa here. And let's do Merry and Bright. Here. Okay, with that, I am done. That is going to be my spread for Danielle. So Danielle, I hope you like how your spread turned out, and I hope you all enjoyed watching me create this spread for Danielle. If you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're interested in purchasing this book, it is from Live Love Posh, and I do have this Live Love Posh's website linked down in the description with my affiliate link and a discount code for 10% off. So definitely check out their website because they have amazing stickers and planner products over there. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.